Hey, welcome back guys. Welcome to another lovely YouTube video. Today we are back here in the garage with the SI, and I figured I'd make this YouTube video just for those who are curious to see the Synthcarbon products on your steering wheel. I've actually discovered these, which is really funny after unpacking. I've had them for actually a few months now. So I thought, why not just make a quick video on installing these, even though I know they're not that difficult, but I figured some of you guys would like to see it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first step is to go ahead and clean the surface areas that you're going to be applying to. Go ahead and use any cleaner you have. I'm just using Invisiglass, but any interior cleaner works as long as it's not a quick wax. And then just go ahead and grab your microfiber cloth and just start cleaning them accordingly. Now as shown, you're just going to go ahead and peel the back carefully, but try not to touch that adhesive, and be very careful as this section especially is very fragile, so you don't want to end up bending that. But just peel slowly, take your time, and soon the whole thing will come off. It's actually very satisfying. Oh, there we go. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and apply it, and go ahead and get it precised before you touch the surface, because you only got one shot at this, and if you mess this up, well, it's gonna suck. Here we are guys with the official and final product of it. Went ahead and just put them on off camera. They were a bit difficult. There are some minor fitment issues, but other than that, they look solid. As you guys can see here, we did end up replacing the center badge with that red one and just putting the carbon fiber bits around it, just to see a little bit of a difference. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Go ahead and give me your comments below and let me know what you guys think of it. This would be a good pair with maybe a carbon fiber steering wheel or so, but as of right now, this is what we're working with, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So I will see you guys in the next video. As always guys, keep grinding, stay humble, and you already know, yeah that. See you guys next week.